In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change check-in and check-out settings in Ownerrez. If you need to update arrival or departure times for one of your properties, Ownerrez makes that process pretty straightforward once you know where to look. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly how to navigate to the right section and apply the change to the property you want. To begin, go to Ownerrez and make sure you're logged into your account so you can access your property settings. Once you're inside the dashboard, look over to the left-hand side of the screen. This is where you'll find the main navigation menu for the platform. From that left side menu, click on Settings. This section contains a variety of account and property configuration options, so if you're making operational changes like check-in or check-out times, this is the right place to start. After opening Settings, look for the Rules section and click on it. The Rules area is where Ownerrez stores important property-related policies and timing settings, including the check-in and check-out configuration. Next, click on Check-in, Check-out. This will open the page where you can review the current timing rules that are already in place. If you're updating a property because your schedule has changed or you need to align with cleaner availability or guest expectations, this is the screen you'll use. Once you're on that page, click on Change. This allows you to edit the existing check-in and check-out setup rather than just viewing it. After that, select the property you want to update. Be sure you choose the correct property, especially if you manage multiple listings, since these settings can affect guest communication and booking expectations. After selecting the property, make the check-in or check-out change you need. Take a moment here to confirm that everything looks right before saving. It's always a good idea to double-check the property selection and the updated time so you don't accidentally apply the wrong settings. Once you're done, click Save. That final step confirms your update and applies the new check-in and check-out settings to the selected property. And that's it. You've successfully changed the check-in and check-out settings in Ownerrez. If you're making several property updates, repeating the same process can help keep your listings accurate and consistent for both your team and your guests.